बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. How are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful hair thread recycling decoration ideas for your home decor. These are very unique and very amazing hair thread ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are super incredible and most unique hair thread design for you guys. And you also guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of hair thread design at your homes. These are super incredible and very pretty hair thread ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you all enjoyed these type of wreath design. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. You must try these wreath ideas at your homes, and you must leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about how much you like this video. Allah Hafiz.